Apple Watch Ultra. The Apple Watch Ultra is bulkier and pricier than most other smartwatches. Still, it has several advanced sensors to track your fitness accurately, a stunning retina display, and improved battery life. It has a more extensive and heavier design than the previously mentioned models. Still, it offers the most robust build quality on this list and features a titanium bezel, a WR100 waterproof rating, and a sapphire glass display for added impact resistance. You get a responsive touchscreen interface, a digital crown for easy navigation, and a convenient action button that can be programmed to launch your preferred apps quickly. In addition, it comes with a massive 1.9-inch always-on retina display that produces a more transparent, brighter image than cheaper watches like the Apple Watch SA. The S8 chipset delivers top-tier, seamless performance and can handle almost any application or multitasking requirement without lagging or noticeably slowing down. It also has an improved dual-frequency GPS module for more accurate outdoor tracking, a depth sensor for more in-depth diving information, an updated compass app, an ECG sensor, a skin temperature sensor for more accurate sleep and cycle tracks, and more. It doesn't have the best battery life on the market, but it can still last for around 36 hours per charge, which is more than other Apple Watches, and it has a convenient low-power mode. In addition, you get several safety features, including fall detection, crash detection, emergency SOS, a new backtrack function when you're lost, a built-in loud siren, and more. It has in-depth health tracking features, an almost indestructible build, and upgraded internal components to deliver seamless top-tier performance. This is an excellent choice if you can afford the price and a premium smartwatch with advanced features.